Hello. Now that you have some pages created, I want to show you how to add some titles, text, and some images to your pages. You start out by clicking the Build tab, and you'll probably want to put a title on your home page, so you can name it after your class, or you just say, "Welcome to whatever your class is." And then you want to bring some text in where you can explain a little bit about the class. I have some stuff already written, so we'll just put it in here. And from there, you can work with your text so that you can do some things to it, change it around, make it smaller, bigger, whatever. Here you go, we got the class here, the title, so we'll make it a little bigger. Oh, there you go. I like that better. Make it in bold. You can, of course, align it so that it's like you want. That looks terrible. Let's try line it straight up. Okay, I like that better. There are things you can do. You can change the color, whatever you want to there. I don't know. Of course, it's like Word. You have to highlight it and then change the color. So that's not too pretty, but that's a good example. Give you an idea of what you want, what you can do. Okay, then say you're going to do a bio or something on this home page, and you want to put an image, a picture of the teacher of yourself. So you grab that, and you probably got a picture of yourself on your hard drive, or you can drag it from wherever, or you can just upload it from your computer. Let's see. Oh, there we are. There's our teacher. Sweet girl. Okay, so anyway, this is just a few of the things that I just wanted to show you to get started. There's a lot of things to do over here, so check them out and play with them. And I'll be making some more videos to explain some of the other things. But this is just to get you started. Have fun with it, and I'll see you online.